Red chili powder, derived from dried and ground red chilies, is a popular spice in various cuisines around the world. Not only does it add a fiery kick to dishes, but it also offers numerous health benefits. Here's a detailed look at the health advantages of incorporating red chili powder into your diet. 1. Rich in nutrients. Red chili powder is packed with essential nutrients. It contains vitamins A, C, A, and B6, as well as minerals like potassium, iron, and magnesium. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision and immune function, while vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body against free radicals and supports collagen production. 2. Boosts metabolism. One of the key components of red chili powder is capsaicin, the compound responsible for its heat. Capsaicin has been shown to boost metabolism by increasing the rate at which the body burns calories. It stimulates thermogenesis, the process by which the body generates heat, thereby enhancing calorie expenditure and aiding in weight loss. 3. Pain relief. Capsaicin is also known for its analgesic properties. It is commonly used in topical creams and ointments to relieve pain from conditions like arthritis, muscle strains, and joint pain. When applied to the skin, capsaicin helps reduce the amount of substance P, a chemical that transmits pain signals to the brain. 4. Supports heart health. Consuming red chili powder may help improve heart health. Capsaicin has been found to reduce blood cholesterol levels, prevent blood clots, and improve blood circulation. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, a condition where the arteries become narrowed and hardened due to plaque buildup. 5. Enhances digestive health. Red chili powder can aid digestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive juices, thereby enhancing the digestive process. It can also help prevent gas and bloating. However, it should be consumed in moderation as excessive intake may cause gastrointestinal discomfort in some individuals. 6. Antioxidant properties. The high levels of antioxidants in red chili powder help protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and lead to chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. 7. Immune system boost. The vitamins and antioxidants in red chili powder strengthen the immune system. Vitamin C, in particular, enhances the production and function of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and illnesses. 8. Weight management. In addition to boosting metabolism, red chili powder can aid in weight management by suppressing appetite. Capsaicin has been shown to reduce hunger and increase feelings of fullness, which can help control food intake and prevent overeating. 9. Anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that capsaicin has potential anti-cancer properties. It may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in various types of cancer, including prostate, breast, and colon cancer. However, more research is needed to fully understand its effects and potential applications in cancer treatment. 10. Respiratory health. Red chili powder can help clear congestion and improve respiratory health. The heat from capsaicin acts as a natural decongestant, helping to relieve symptoms of nasal congestion, sinusitis, and bronchitis. It also has antibacterial properties that can help fight respiratory infections. Conclusion. Red chili powder is more than just a spice that adds heat to your food. Its rich nutrient profile and numerous health benefits make it a valuable addition to your diet. From boosting metabolism and aiding digestion to supporting heart health and providing pain relief, the advantages of red chili powder are extensive. However, it is important to consume it in moderation, as excessive intake can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort. Incorporate red chili powder into your meals to enjoy its health benefits while spicing up your dishes.